Air Max Plus returns in black and blue crystal. A black and blue faded mesh makes this pair stand out, with black elements all over the shoe, but that transition really does capture the eye. What do you think of this one and how does it compare to other Nike TNs? Hello, and welcome to another episode of QuickSchopes. Today we have the Air Max Plus TN, and this pair is in black, blue crystal. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Purchase links for these in the description along with some other TNs as well. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a black and blue crystal outsole. We have a black midsole with blue crystal air units, and of course that black to blue crystal shank as well. And then we come to this upper. So this upper is composed of mainly mesh, and if we start from around the toe, you'll see that we have a black mud guard and we have some black mesh on the toe box. This pair, decent materials right here. Going up the shoe, you'll see that we have black piping for the eye stay and we have black eyelets as well. These eyelets encase black oval laces to the thickness that I like. And these laces conceal a black mesh tongue. At the top of this tongue, you'll see that we have a black panel with blue for the Nike Air detailing. Take a look at the mid portion of the shoe, you'll see that we have the black and blue transition on the mesh. Really nice, that blue sapphire going into black. Very good. And we also have the striped detailing synonymous with the Nike TN. This is also in black. And then at the base we have that black mudguard textured material. Let's take a look at the swoosh. So we have a beautiful black rubber swoosh right here. It does feel quite solid, like a plastic material, similar to the ribbed detailing of this shoe, which is also in black, as I mentioned before. Going to the fox end of the shoe, you'll see that we have the black detailing for the stripes of this shoe still present here, and we have more of that blue present rather than black on the mesh of this panel. And then as we come to the heel of the shoe, we've got that mudguard material, textured material in black throughout the heel of the shoe, and we've got the TN logo in OG colors. Taking a look inside the shoe, you'll see that the sock liner is in black, and this matches the black insole, and again, TN detailing in OG colors similar to the heel and on the outsole. Let me know what you think of this pair. For me, they're good, but they could have been better. It's a good shoe. This is a good shoe, but as I said, there's a missed opportunity. You compare this to the stock images, the blue is not as intense as in the stock images, which is a real shame. The transition is sick. It looks so good, but the blue here, it's more, I don't know, it's too light. It doesn't have that punch to it. It doesn't have that oomph. We need that oomph of the blue to really stand out against the black and just transition so nicely. The black elements, cool. Could have been a bit darker. I know it is black, but you know, you do get shades of black and everything like that. Could have been a little bit darker, but for what it is, it's cool. But the blue doesn't have that vigor that I need for this pair to really stand out, which is a real shame, a missed opportunity. The transition is good, and this is complemented by the shank on the shoe. We've got the blue and the black, which again is very nice. Going underneath to the outsole, really nice. We've got the blue elements right there present. It looks good. I do like these elements. Also, the blue air units on this pair, it works nicely with this one. I do like that. You know, rather than having blacked out midsole and blacked out air units, having the blue right there, you know, it just works very nicely. And there's no need for a fade or anything like that here. We've got all the gradient detailings on the upper and the shank, so yeah, pretty cool. The mudguard material, I'm not really the biggest fan of it, to be honest. It is a textured material, so I do like the look of it, but the feel of it, yeah, I'm not 100%. I do like the look of it though. I just wish it was more premium, but not too mad at it. I just think they could have selected something a bit different maybe, but it does work, that being said. Let me know your thoughts. When it comes to the laces, black laces in this pair, perfect. Don't swap them out. Don't swap them out. Look at the way that the shoe is configured, let's say. All the black is right there and the gradient of blue is here. Keep it like that. In my opinion, of course, you could switch them out to something, you do what you want. But for me, black laces, that's the key right here. It just keeps this whole portion of the shoe black and leaves the blue right there. Now, of course, there are blue elements such as on the tongue and stuff like that, but I think the separation just works so nicely. You don't need to drag any more blue from here into here. But let me know your thoughts. Remember, only these black laces come with this one, so if you want to do a lace swap, you can do from your lace box. This pair fits true to size. Let's check these out on feet. With all that being said, a good pair in my opinion. That's why I give these a 7 out of 10. It's good, but it could have been great. I just need a bit more intensity with the blue on this pair, which is just lacking, which is so sad. The transition is so nice, but it's from blue to black rather than blue to black. You know what I mean? Let me know your thoughts on this one and how does it compare to some of the other TNs that Nike has released. I believe that there is a black and red pair similar to this one, so maybe I'll be able to get those in and we'll have a look at those. A black and green one as well. I did hear whispers, but let me know your thoughts. Remember, purchase links to these and other colors in the description. Thank you everybody for subscribing, sharing your thoughts. It's always appreciated. Signing out. See ya.